Welcome back to the Primal Professor. I have a very short video for you today. I stumbled upon this resource and I wanted to share it with you right away. I think it's a great pro tip. And so let's just get right into it. So I was perusing the internet today and I came across this website. It'll be something that you can utilize all the time. We know that when a lot of us who follow a low carb lifestyle, most of us I would say, whether you're paleo or keto or carnivore, we do our best to avoid the seed oils like canola oil, soybean oil, peanut oil, safflower oil, all those bad oils. Wouldn't it be great if there was a resource to tell us the restaurants that are using the better fats like beef tallow, lard, avocado oil, and olive oil? I found one. That's where localfats.com comes in. They even they'll tell you which restaurants use peanut oil, so we know how common a peanut allergy is. So it's a great resource for those folks as well. So if you know somebody with a peanut allergy, I would share this website with them. All you have to do is go to localfats.com and put in your location, and boom, all the restaurants around you in that area that use the good oils will pop up. And it could be near your home, but you could be on vacation as well. And it'll show you all around the globe. So this is a big effort to try to change the world from using these bad seed oils and using the better fats. Okay, this is what the website looks like. You see localfats.com, and it gives you these other tabs up here that you can look at. But here's where, right in the center here, at the upper center, you would put your zip code in. And currently they have 5,281 restaurants and all their cooking oils in 28 countries as of 3/10/2025. So you click on their global map and you can see it, and you can see how many are in the US and the other countries. And then you can also see browse by category, which I think is really neat, for beef tallow, for butter, ghee, pork lard, and so on and so forth. So I think it's a worthy effort by this group at localfats.com. And I'm just going to put in my zip code, and you can see near me, and this is how easy it is. And just to give you an idea, up here you can see the Buffalo Wild Wings. They're using tallow. That's a chain. Five Guys, they use peanut oil, so that's great for that person that has an allergy. And then Old Tioga Farm, which is a smaller restaurant that I'm unaware of, but they are seed oil free and they use tallow, butter, ghee, and lard. I'm going to have to go there. I'm going to view the details in a second, but you get the gist of it. So I hope you use this website. I think it could make it easier to make your low carb lifestyle more sustainable. So let's keep our families healthier and be part of this change. We're getting momentum now. It's getting out. The world knows that these bad fats have done us harm for many, many years. So let's support the local restaurants and the chains who are being proactive and making the change to use the better fats. And before you go out to eat the next time, check out localfats.com, and your body and your family will be much healthier and happier. If this video was helpful, consider leaving a comment and like, share, and follow for more keto-friendly advice, tips, and resources. Thanks a lot. I'll see you in the next video. I hope this was helpful.